Hey guys, so this is a short Igbo story that I wrote to help you practice everything we've covered so far. We talked about the alphabet, then we did nouns and adjectives, and verbs and adverbs, and some other things in between. And with just that knowledge, you'll be surprised about how much Igbo you can already understand. So we'll go through this story, we'll read the story first, then I'll break it down, and then I'll do a question and answer at the end. And this will help you see how things come together, and hopefully you can read the story to somebody or use it to keep practicing outside of class. So the story is Udoka na Obiora. Let's see what the story is about. Udoka na Obiora bụ ụmụnne. Udoka bụ nwa nwanyị, Obiora bụ nwa nwoke. Kịta ha na-egwu mmiri n'ezi. Ha bidoro n'ụtụtụ, mana nne ga-akpọ ha n'ime ụlọ maka ehihie abịala. O tiri mkpu, Udoka, Obiora, bata n'ụlọ. Udoka na Obiora gbara ọsọ ịza oku nne ha. Nne nyere ha nri ọtịta. Udoka kewara ya. Nke mbụ buru ibu, nke abụọ pere mpe. Ha abụọ chọrọ nke buru ibu. Ha na-eti mkpu na-alụ ọgụ na-ebe akwa. Nne gwara ha, Udoka, Obiora, biko kwụsị. Ha lụrụ ọgụ. Ha kwụsịrị gwa nne ha nakwa onwe ha ndo. Okay, for the nkọwa, the explanation, here's what we have. Udoka na Obiora. It simply means Udoka and Obiora. Those are two Igbo children. Bo umunne are siblings. Ebo, which is to be, changes to is or are, depending on how many people you're talking about or how many things, and so on and so forth. So bo umunne are siblings. Udoka bụ nwa nwanyị means Udoka is a girl. Nwa nwanyị means female child. Nwa child, nwanyị female. So nwa nwanyị is a female child, which is a girl. And Obiora bụ nwa nwoke. Obiora is a boy. Nwa nwoke, male child, boy. For the next section, Kita, right now. Ha na-egwu mmiri. They are swimming. Igwu mmiri is to swim. Na egwu mmiri means is swimming or are swimming. So they are swimming. Kita ha na-egwu mmiri. N'ezi. N'ezi comes from na, ezi. But when you drop that A, you get n'ezi. So kita ha na-egwu mmiri n'ezi. Right now, they are swimming outside. Ha bidoro n'ụtụtụ. They began in the morning. Ibido is to begin. Bidoro is began. They began in the morning. Mana, but nne ga-akpọ ha. Mom will call them. Ikpọ is to call. Ga-akpọ is will call. N'ime ụlọ. N'ime ụlọ means into the house. So ha bidoro n'ụtụtụ. Ha na-egwu mmiri n'ezi. They're swimming outside. Ha bidoro n'ụtụtụ. They began in the morning. Mana nne ga-akpọ ha n'ime ụlọ. Why? Maka ehihie abịala. Because afternoon has come. Maka means because. Ehihie, afternoon. Abịala is has come. Ịbịa is to come. Abịala has come. So ha bidoro n'ụtụtụ. Mana nne ga-akpọ ha n'ime ụlọ maka ehihie abịala. So what did nne do? O tiri mkpu. She shouted. Iti mkpu is to shout. Tiri mkpu is shouted. Udoka, Obiora, bata n'ụlọ. Udoka, Obiora, come into the house. So ibata is to come in or to enter. Bata means come in or enter. And then Udoka na Obiora gbara ọsọ. Udoka na Obiora ran. Ịgba ọsọ is to run. Gbara ọsọ is ran. And then why did they run? Ịza oku. Ịza oku is to answer or to respond. Whose oku are they responding to? Neha, their mom. So Udoka and Obiora Baroso Iza oku Neha. Udoka and Obiora ran to answer their mom. Okay, so Nne nyere ha nri ọtịta. Mom gave them a snack. Inye is to give, nyere is gave. Nne nyere ha nri ọtịta. Nri ọtịta is snack or snacks. Udoka kewara ya. Udoka divided it. Ikewa, to divide. Kewara, divided. Nke mbụ buru ibu. The first one was big. Ibu ibu is to be big. Buru ibu means is big or was big. Nke abụọ pere mpe. The second one was small. Ipempe is to be small. Pere mpe is small or was small. Nne nyere ha nri ọtịta. Udoka kewara ya. Nke mbụ buru ibu. Nke abụọ pere mpe. And then, what happened with the snacks? Ha abụọ means they both or both of them chọrọ, want. Ịchọ is to want. Chọrọ means want for many people or wants for one person. Nke buru ibu, the one that's big. So ha abụọ chọrọ nke buru ibu. They both want the one that's big or both of them want the one that's big. So now what does that result in? Ha na-eti mkpu, they are shouting. Iti mkpu, to shout. Na-eti mkpu is shouting or shouting. Na-alụ ọgụ are fighting. Ịlụ ọgụ is to fight. Na-alụ ọgụ is fighting or fighting. Na-ebe akwa are crying. Ibe akwa is to cry. Na-ebe akwa is crying or are crying. So ha na-eti mkpu, na-alụ ọgụ, na-ebe akwa. What happens next? Nne gwara ha. Mom told them. Igwa is to tell. Gwara is told. Biko kwụsị. Please stop. Ịkwụsị is to stop. Kwụsị is stop. Alụla ọgụ. Don't fight. Ịlụ ọgụ is to fight. Alụla ọgụ is don't fight. So nne gwara ha. Biko kwụsị. Alụla ọgụ. And what was their response? Ha kwụsịrị. They stopped. Gwa nne ha and told their mom. Nakwa onwe ha and also each other. So nakwa is from na. Na is and in some situations, and nakwa means and also. So ha gwara, ha kwụsịrị. They stopped. Gwa nne ha and also each other or themselves. Onwe ha is themselves or each other. Ndo, sorry. So, they were fighting, shouting, crying. Mom told them to stop. They stopped, told their mom and each other sorry. Alright, so some Q&A with this story. Ajụjụ, question. Onye bụ nwanne Udoka? Who is Udoka's sibling? Obiora bụ nwanne Udoka. Obiora is Udoka's sibling. Onye n'ime ha bụ nwa nwanyị? Onye bụ nwa nwoke? N'ime ha means between them if it's just two people, or among them if it's many people. So onye n'ime ha, who between them, bụ nwa nwanyị is a girl, and then onye bụ nwa nwoke, who is a boy. Udoka bụ nwa nwanyị. Udoka is a girl. Obiora bụ nwa nwoke. Obiora is a boy. Gịnị ka Udoka na Obiora na-eme n'ezi? What are Udoka and Obiora doing outside? Udoka na Obiora na-egwu mmiri n'ezi. Udoka and Obiora are swimming outside. Kedu oge ha bidoro igwu mmiri? What time or when, kedu oge, ha bidoro igwu mmiri, did they begin to swim? Ha bidoro n'ụtụtụ, they began in the morning. Onye kpọrọ ha n'ime ụlọ? Who called them into the house? Nne ha, their mother, kpọrọ ha n'ime ụlọ, called them into the house. Nne ha kpọrọ ha n'ime ụlọ. Gịnị ka nne nyere ha? What did mom give them? Nne nyere ha nri ọtịta. Mom gave them snacks. Onye kewara ya? Who divided it? Udoka kewara ya. Udoka divided it. Gịnị ka Udoka na Obiora chọrọ? What do Udoka and Obiora want? Ha abụọ chọrọ nke buru ibu. They both want the one that's big, or both of them want the big one. And then, gịnị ka ha gwara nne ha na onwe ha? Gịnị ka ha gwara nne na onwe ha? What did they tell mom and themselves? Ha gwara nne ndo. They told mom sorry. Ha gwakwara onwe ha ndo. They also told themselves sorry, or they also told each other sorry. Alright, that's it with this story. Hopefully you can read it to someone or have somebody read it to you again. Feel free to keep referencing this video and